this is Alice at AYAO Insurance. Let's dive into collision coverage on your car insurance policy today. Collision coverage is the coverage you will use to repair or replace your car if it's damaged in an accident, either with another car or a standing object or in a rollover crash. If you leased or financed your car, collision coverage is typically required by your lender. A deductible will always apply when you use your collision coverage. A deductible is the amount that you have to pay before your coverage will step into pay. Collision deductibles usually range anywhere from $250 to $2,000. The lower the deductible you choose, the more your insurance will cost, and vice versa. If you chose a higher deductible to keep your insurance costs lower, keep in mind that your out-of-pocket expense at the time of a claim will be higher. So how does collision pay out? If your car was damaged in an accident, you would take it to an auto body repair shop for a repair estimate. With that estimate, your insurance company will either pay you directly minus your deductible or pay the body shop for the repair cost, and you will subsequently pay the deductible to the body shop. If your car was totaled in an accident, your insurance company will assess the value of your car at the time of loss and send you a check less your deductible. Be sure to consult with your agent to see what coverages fit you the best. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.